In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a Pine script into Tradingview so you can add custom indicators or strategies to your chart and level up your analysis. First, open Tradingview and load any chart. Once you're on the chart screen, look toward the bottom panel and find the Pine Editor tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll write, paste, and manage your scripts. Before adding your script, click on New to create a fresh file. This gives you a clean workspace so nothing interferes with your code. Now, if you already have a Pine script ready, either written by you or copied from somewhere, paste it into the editor. Just click inside the editor and press Paste. Make sure the entire code appears correctly without missing lines. Next, take a quick moment to review the script. If there are any syntax errors, Tradingview will highlight them. Don't worry if this happens, just double check the code and fix any issues. Once everything looks good, click on Add to Chart or Save and Add to Chart. Within seconds, your script will be applied to the chart. If it's an indicator, it will appear either directly on the price chart or in a separate panel below. If it's a strategy, it will also activate the strategy tester so you can see performance results. You can always edit your script later by going back into the Pine editor, making changes, and clicking Add to Chart again to update it. And that's it. You've successfully added a Pine script to Tradingview, unlocking custom tools and strategies that can completely transform how you analyze the markets.